So I have made over 400,000 from just going live on TikTok just within last month. Okay, this is my last month's money that I've been able to make, and I've not withdrawn it. Okay, because this month I've not really gone live, and if I want to check it in dollars, it is going to be $279.04. So this is it. Okay, this is it, so that you guys can have assurance. And this is the amount I've been able to make. You can see this is me, Vibe with Sonia. Okay, so before someone will say maybe she don't carry on that person, this thing on post. In today's video, I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you rather, how you can get gifters to your TikTok live stream. I noticed that a lot of people don't usually make money on TikTok because they will tell you that, oh, getting gifters to your TikTok live stream is very stressful. And if I will only go live for TikTok for me to make money on TikTok, then I'm not going to go live because it is really, really stressful. But trust me, it is definitely not stressful. You are the one that is seeing it as if it's stressful. That's why it's looking very stressed to you. Let's get right into how you can get TikTok gifters to your live streams on TikTok, okay, this 2024, because I want to see everyone growing. So the first thing that I do before going live is to pray. I don't joke with that. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. Prayer is the key. So if you don't believe, or you're not a Christian, you're a Muslim, in fact, anything you believe in, pray. It is very, very important. That is the first thing that I do. After my prayers, I just go ahead to upload videos, which is the second thing that I do on TikTok, is to go ahead to upload videos. And whenever I want to upload videos before going live, I upload more than 3 videos. Probably less, the least video I'll upload whenever I want to go live is 3 videos, but I'll upload up to 5, up to 6. So depending on the kind of videos that you want to upload. And one good part I love about TikTok videos is it can be short and quick. You can just use people music to like vibe to your videos before going live. Why do you need to do that before going live? You need to upload videos to enable YouTube, to enable TikTok, put you out there in the FYP, okay? It is very, very important. If TikTok is not putting you down there on the FYP, your followers or your followings are not going to know that you are live, and it will not enable new people that have not followed you to come into the live stream. So a lot of reasons why a lot of people go to live streams and then they stay there bored from beginning to the end is because they don't upload videos. Some persons just have only one video on their TikTok account. Some persons, their video that they uploaded was last 2 months ago or last 3 months ago. And yes, if those videos are not getting good visibilities again, definitely nobody is going to recognize you. So it is very, very important for you to upload videos before going live on TikTok. Step number 3, during the process of uploading those videos, use trending hashtags. Hashtags like hashtag viral, hashtag FYP, hashtag for you page, hashtag trending. These 4 hashtags are very important. So use them on your videos before going live. And it is also very important for you to start using your name as hashtag. If you check 99, in fact, all of my videos, there is no way you're not going to see hashtag Vibe with Sonia. And my hashtag is over 3 million views already. So if you do that, it will enable your videos to pop out there for new people to see your videos and then come in. Prepare for the live stream, okay? Why do I say prepared for the live stream? TikTok live stream is just not a live stream that you can just go in the next 10 minutes, 2 seconds if you're not seeing anything and then you disappear. A lot of people that have been watching me directly from YouTube here to my live stream, they're connected with me on TikTok. They see how I usually spend time on my live stream, because before I go live on TikTok, I am prepared for the day, okay? So you need to prepare for your live stream. I'm not saying you should do too much. You don't need to do too much, okay? I can just wear any top that I have that is covering me very well to just go for my live stream. But another word for my prepare, when I said prepare, is make sure or know that you are going to spend time there. As a new person, especially, starting to get gifters is not going to be all that easy for you. It's not going to be all that rosy for you. Reasons because you are new, okay? For someone like us that are already old on the app, I've stayed on TikTok for the past 3 years, if not mistaken, and I've been live streaming for the past 3 years. you will know that we already have people that are always coming to support us constantly. But initial period when we started, it was not all that easy. It was very, very difficult. At some point, I gave up, and then I came back again to continue because I know that Sonia is meant for this, and I'm trying to tell you that you are also meant for this, okay? So prepare yourself that you're going to be spending a lot of time there, okay? Sometimes you can go to TikTok live stream, and within the next 10 seconds, everything just stew for you. When I mean everything stew, for those ones that are not in Nigeria, everything just went well for you, and then you can just log off if you wish. But if nothing is happening, you spend more time to connect with people, okay? And I'm going to do a full video on what you are going to be doing once you are live streaming, okay? Because right now I don't want this video to be two different phase. You guys know how I like my videos to be precise and quick. Next thing that you are going to do when you're sitting there is to co-host people or find what you want to do on TikTok. You cannot just come and sit like this and expect manners to fall from heaven and expect gifters to come and start throwing coins on you just like that. Yes, miracle happens, but not on TikTok, okay? The only miracle that can happen for you on TikTok is when you find something doing. It is very, very important. What do you want to do on TikTok? Do you want to co-host people? Do you want to dance? Do you want to talk to people? If you're talking to people, what are you talking to people about? I saw one of my friends recently. We were doing normal co-host together, and recently she started all this relationship and tangling or relationship joining, where people from different countries can look for wives, they can look for friendship, they can look for spa to talk to, and that has really been more profitable for us. So that's why I need to find what you are going to do. So what are you going to do? Are you going to be teaching people how to cook on the live stream? Are you going to be playing games on the live stream? Are you going to be doing what we call punishment game? Yes, my sister is doing punishment game, and I think I'll be attaching some of her pictures here. And it has been really a lot more profitable for her. But for someone like me, I do just co-host, which is I play games here on TikTok by just sitting down, co-host with my friends, and then we challenge each other, and people come to support us, okay? So finding what to do is very, very important. If you have been going to TikTok without finding what to do, I think you might be one of the cause why nobody is actually coming to your live stream. Something that can actually attract gifters to your live stream is your videos, your live stream visibilities. What do I mean? When you go to some people's live stream, you are not even seeing their face. They put their face behind the camera. The camera is so dark. Everywhere is so blurry. Nobody is even seeing you. People are coming to your live stream. You are not even welcoming them. It is very, very good for you to start welcoming people. Once you see one or two names, you start welcoming them. Anyways, let me know if you want me to do a detailed thing that me, myself, and I usually do on live stream, and I'm going to be breaking all of that to you in another video. Let me know in the comment section if you actually want me to do that particular video for you. So once you start interacting with people, welcoming people, it will enable those people to stay. And then the next thing you're going to tell them is, tell them, please tap for me, please. Take, for example, Chris just bopped into your live stream. You say, Chris, please tap for me. There are some people that can enter your live stream with 0 level when it comes to your live TikTok live stream. And because of how polite you are to them, they'll end up gifting you, or they'll end up telling you, oh, drop your account details for me, and you drop your account details, and they are going to favor you, okay? So when it comes to TikTok live stream, a lot need to be put in place, and these few things that I said, I trust and I believe that they are definitely going to help you if you're going to put them into work, okay? And oh god, don't worry, I'll just do a separate video. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a separate video, if you guys are interested in making money on TikTok, okay? And let me not make this video more longer than it is. These are the things that I've been able to use. These are the strategies I've also been able to share with my sister, my kid sister, and it has been working for her. In fact, she has been making a lot of money, more than myself, okay, because she spent more time, more than me. Just know that the more time you spend on TikTok, the more profitable it's going to be to you, because you're going to be meeting new persons on daily basis, okay? And there is no way I don't go to my TikTok live stream in a day. For people that know me, they know me very well. If you've been connecting with me, if you've been coming to check me on my live stream, please comment in the comment section below. I really love to know you guys, okay? Let me personally use my hand and subscribe to your channel. Anyways, thank you so much for staying sick and hook me to the end of this video. And if you're putting all of this in practice, let me know as well. With no further ado, I do like I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Take good care of yourself.